So to do this lab, what I want you to do is find a spot on a street that's safe, where cars are going by, right? These are all priorities here, right? And I just want you to measure out a distance of about 40 feet. Okay, if you have a tape measure, go for it. Like for example, one of my shoes is almost exactly a foot. So if I go heel to toe 40 times, that would be 40 feet, right? So just be creative about that. And 40 feet is about 12.19. And I got that by just divided by 3.281. That's 12.1914 if we want to be even more accurate or something, right? So you want to get whatever your distance is, right? Because our velocity is going to be distance divided by time. Okay, so you want to know what that is, right? 12.19. And then we also want to estimate what our uncertainty is. Now, the question is, what should we use for our uncertainty? Well, here are pictures of the kids doing it in front of the school. There's Jaden and Max. Anyway, you can see we used like a white line there, and we could be fairly accurate. We probably knew our distance to within, I don't know, maybe a tenth of a meter. Okay, you probably aren't going to put tape on the street. So if you're just like putting a trash can here and a recycling bin here, you're probably going to have a healthy uncertainty. You could use like 1 meter or 2 meters, right? Okay, so just keep in mind, right? And you can see we had like a mark there and a mark here. And what you want to do is you want to go front tire to this line, to front tire to the other line. Okay, so go ahead and just make up something, whatever you think that uncertainty is, right? So if you're, again, trash cans on the street, you could say you're plus or minus a meter. Okay, that's good, right? And then what you need to do is just time. Use the stopwatch on your smartphone to time it. If you don't have a smartphone, you could just do locomotive. 1 locomotive, 2 locomotive, 3 locomotive, 4 locomotive. If you do it rhythmically like that, every syllable is 0.2 of a second. Okay, we're just going to say whatever the time is. We're going to say that we're plus or minus 0.2 of a second. So whatever you got for your time is going to be plus or minus 0.2. Okay, so let's go with that. That's, there it is. All right.